chat me a chat. Yeah man, you don't know a Ziggie Bless. And right now I see a video. What day yeah. I tell you the thing, I vex with it. I see the thing. See, when I look and see my Jamaican brothers and sisters them, I go on like them I eat that for some Kentucky fried full of oil chicken. See, I couldn't believe what I see. Over fried chicken, Kentucky chicken, when they did I go on in the line, so I go on in the crowd and I push up on and then I go on with the beer antics. See, long line of people. This lady said she did it from how much hours before it opened, they wait. See, another lady with her little youth in her hand. In a hours the line, waiting in a line. I said she gotta get the youth the leg and she get the other 2 piece. 2 for 1 deal. What I'm told no. Over Kentucky fried chicken. You look embarrassing right now, man. You not embarrass me right now. I don't like the representation. You not embarrass you right now to the world. Because when I look on it, I say, yo, really? That we're going to? See? Because when I made it, you know, I say, I can't have the chicken itself. I can't have the chicken because Kentucky, they're Jamaica for years now. See? I'm soon going to go up on a regular. But what them, true them go say, free 2 pieces of chicken. So 2 pieces of free chicken you not go and suffer. Chicken? You know. Mad or no mad, man. I want to know. Cut out them foolishness, them, man. You not look bad right now. That me I tell you now. See? Kentucky fried chicken. What is that? Mad? You should have looked for us up, man. Use all the money and make it up and buy like a 1 small fowl and go home and go cut that up nicely and brown stew it and cook it down nicely and thing and ray. Or some curry it and them thing there. It would serve better cooking, taste nicer, more healthier. Could have eat some now and have still have another eat for later again. See? Got a little Kentucky chicken thing there. As you don't eat it and walk all around the road so, you're not hungry again. You never remember so Kentucky gone. You're not hungry again. See? So, you're not going to suffer. So I can't the chicken you're not going to suffer. That's the free part of it. Where them say free 2 piece. I love too much freeness more time, man. And every freeness are good things, man. More time when I make some freeness, just pass and go on. And every freeness you don't want to jump on. Something for us pass and go on about the business. I'm not busy for it free, I don't want it. See? Cut out the thing, man, down the yard, man. Cut out the foolishness. I want to make me see that again, man. Cut that out. See? I want to greater than that. Alright, my people, I want to greater than that. See? Alright, that me I say. See? I chat me a chat. I have to come talk to you real quick. I couldn't know what I'm going with. See? Because I see it and I never like it. So I just come reason about it. I just come chat about it. See? Because I don't know the new thing. Chat me a chat. See? Salute. I love you now. Stop it. Now do it again. Boom.